Hello, welcome back to the vlog. So today we're going to do something again on the Beetle. Um, so we got a care package from Eurotuning.com and we're gonna be installing the Yup guys, we have some R8 coil packs and some iridium spark plugs. Alright, come on. So let's install this one out. Okay, so first step we need to do is, well, if you have the plastic engine cover, remove that first. And let's remove the harness. Be careful with this harness. The clips, the lock on it, just be careful when removing this. If you have the tool to remove it, just use that. I have one, I think. So yep, so that's the first step, is to remove the harness. All right. Okay, so this is the tool that I'm talking about. If you have one of this, you can definitely use this to remove the clips in here. So you just line this one up in there, then just pull it out. All right, let's do it. Okay, so yep, so just once you remove the harness, just pull the coils out. There will be a little resistance on it, like they are being sucked. But yep, so let's remove them. Okay, so just simply remove them. Just be careful, don't wiggle them out. Having a hard time on removing them, but there you go. There you go. Whew. A lot of force. Freaking weak. But yeah, so let me remove this too first. Let's remove the rest. Should have some good leverage from here. Whew. Then the other one. Last part here. There you go. Nice. Now we're gonna need to remove the spark plugs. Okay, so just use your spark plug remover. Oops, I need a longer extension. Okay, so just remove your spark plugs now. And make sure when you put the new spark plugs, you double check the gap. I don't have it. There you go. Okay. So just do the same thing in all four. And I will be putting the new one. Okay, so now time to put in the new coils. So I'm gonna be putting in the new coils. We're just gonna drop them there for now. All of them. Man, that one looks good. Alright, so yeah. Remove it. Alright, so then we can just push them down. They go one way. Now lock this in. Don't do what I'm doing, but yep. Oh yeah. This one, the tab is broken, so it happens. It's normal. Yeah, so just make sure they are all plugged in and locked in. Just give us some tap. And there you go, guys. We have our R8 coil packs installed on our 2012 Volkswagen Beetle. Alright, so now let's start the engine. Okay, so it sounds good to me. Yep. So that's the install, guys. So what's my take on this? Am I expecting more power? Definitely not. I'm expecting more reliability on this. So reliability is the key. So yep. So that's all, guys. So please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so. Thank you for watching.